Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to improve your skills on coding. So it gives you a hands-on exposure on coding. So let us see this week's problems. So the program is basically a resume reviewer project. So for example, assume yourself to be a company, you're hiring people. You want to automate the process of hiring through resume. So people upload their resume. So from that one, you extract whatever is required with your job description. You try to match it, and whichever has the highest similarity, with highest matching percentage, you consider that person for the role. So we have divided this project into three parts. The first one is extracting text from the resume, that is we'll be seeing in this part. Second part is computing resume job similarity. So you have a job description provided and the resume text which you have extracted. So you have to compare similarity between both of that. And then the third part will be generating a feedback using Grok LLM. Alright, so let us jump into the code. So the first thing is basically import PDF plumber. It's a Python library to extract text from PDF. So then we have creating a path for resume, that is resume.pdf. We are creating that path. Now we are loading the file using a function load resume and giving that path as the input. Now we are creating an empty variable text and using that function import pdf plumber.open. We're opening the file as PDF and then we're looping through each and every page extracting the text. The page has text, that if the text is not empty, then we are to the text whatever we have created here, we are adding the page text with a line break separately. After that, we strip the entire thing. We remove all the white spaces. We remove the spaces, everything. We have the proper text ready enough. Now we have the main function where I call the resume path is mentioned, and then I call the function that is resume text. So once the function is called here load resume, and then I print the resume text whatever is extracted. So the output will look something like this. So now I'll run the program. Okay, so we have to install the PDF plumber library. I forgot. Okay, now we can run the program. So python main.py. Okay, here you go. So we have that resume. From the resume, we have the location, everything, and the details, whatever experience is there, and whatever is projects are there, certifications, everything. So I'll submit the program. In the next video, we'll compare this with the job description and try to get the similarity percentage. So you can see all the test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.